A Kingdom to Ashes, The Rise and Fall of Yugoslavia, 1918 to 2008. Yugoslavia, a nation born from the ashes of World War I, promised unity amidst a rich tapestry of ethnicities. This blog explores its tumultuous journey, from its formation in 1918 to its dissolution in 2008. A fragile union, Kingdom of Yugoslavia, 1918 to 1943. Emerging from the Austro-Hungarian collapse, Yugoslavia united Serbs, Croats, and Slovenes under King Alexander I. However, this unification faced resistance from various European powers and internal ethnic tensions. The assassination of King Alexander in 1934 further destabilized the region. World War II and partisan resistance. The Axis invasion of Yugoslavia in 1941 carved a deep wound. The war saw atrocities by Nazi collaborators and the rise of resistance movements like the communist Partisans, led by Josip Broz Tito, who emerged as a key figure. From monarchy to communist rule, 1943 to 1991. The tide turned in favor of the Partisans, leading to the abolishment of the monarchy and the establishment of the Socialist Federal People's Republic of Yugoslavia under Tito's leadership. He steered Yugoslavia away from Soviet influence, creating a unique brand of communism. Fractures beneath the surface. Despite economic growth, ethnic and nationalist tensions simmered beneath the surface. Tito's balancing act of granting autonomy to regions like Kosovo and Vojvodina became a challenge after his death in 1980. The unraveling, 1991 to 2008. The 1990s witnessed a surge of nationalism across Yugoslavia's republics. Efforts to hold the federation together crumbled as Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Macedonia, and Montenegro declared independence. The resulting Yugoslav wars caused immense human suffering and displacement. A legacy of complexity. Yugoslavia's legacy is a complex one. While some cherish the ideals of unity and socialist progress, others remember the brutal wars and ethnic strife. The region continues to grapple with its past as it marches forward. A dive into the dinar, Yugoslavia's former currency. Have you ever come across the term, dinar, and wondered what it referred to? Look no further. Today's blog dives into the history of the dinar, the currency that served Yugoslavia for most of its existence. The dinar's debut, 1920. The dinar's story begins in 1920, following the aftermath of World War I. A new nation emerged, the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats and Slovenes, later known as the Kingdom of Yugoslavia and the Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. This newly formed country needed a currency to call its own, and thus, the dinar was born. A unit divided, the para. Just like many currencies, the dinar was further divided into smaller units. In this case, 100 para equaled 1 dinar. While para might not be a familiar term today, it played a crucial role in everyday Yugoslav transactions. A currency through the ages. The dinar faithfully served Yugoslavia throughout its various political transformations. It witnessed the rise and fall of kingdoms, the socialist era under Josip Broz Tito, and the eventual breakup of the nation in the 1990s. The end of an era. With the dissolution of Yugoslavia, the dinar's reign came to an end. Successor states adopted new currencies, marking a symbolic shift towards their independent identities. The dinar faded from circulation, becoming a relic of a bygone era.